Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In this video, I will explain how to buy the Trump coin using a credit card in 2025. It's a quick and easy way to invest, and I will walk you throughout the process from start to the end. So guys, let's dive in. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So in this video guys, I'm gonna show you exactly how you can actually buy a cryptocurrency with credit card. Specifically in this video we are going to talk about the Trump one, but yeah, in general this video can be applicable or basically used as a reference for any other cryptocurrency. The first thing that you should do is to go ahead and visit the exchange that you will learn to start trading in. In my case, I'm gonna use Binance. You could go ahead and use whichever one you feel comfortable using, and at the same time that has the Trump token. This is very necessary. If you went to an exchange that doesn't have Trump token and you deposit your money in it, well, that can cause a lot of issues and unnecessary fees later on. So let's start with the method number one. So the first thing is opening the exchange itself. Right after that, go ahead and click on buy crypto, which is basically something that I have in Binance. You will have the same thing on any other platform. Now, once you have done that, you will be taken to such UI. So this user interface is basically a worldwide one, so you will find it in literally every single exchange. It won't change at all, just a little bit of design thing, but it will keep the same concept of buy and sell buttons, and then how much money you want to spend and what cryptocurrency you want to receive. So this is what you are willing to do. Choose the cryptocurrency that you have in your bank account, not the cryptocurrency, sorry, but your currency. So the monetary currency that you have, for example, here I have chosen the US dollars. Then here choose what you are willing to receive. Now, in that case, you are going to choose the Trump token if you want it to be straightforward. So here I'm going to click on USDT, and then this list will pop up to me. So I'm going to search for Trump. So here it is, official Trump. Now if you are using any other platform other than Binance, since Binance doesn't really support all the fake coins, all the meme coins, so the token of Trump is actually very rare to see and notice in here. But on the other hand, if you want to other platform, and for example here, let me just open PancakeSwap real quick. So PancakeSwap, if you went ahead and search for Trump, look how many tokens you will find. And trust me guys, none of these tokens are real. They are all fake tokens that are that has no relation or are not related at all to the Trump official. So these are all fake tokens. So make sure that you are selecting the correct token. Now I'm gonna show you exactly the name and also the logo of the token so you can choose it wisely. So here it is. This is Trump token. It is called official Trump. Now if I want to CoinGecko, here we go, and open for example this, and I went to official Trump right here. This is the token that we have, and here you can find its contract. So here, this is the contract address which you could use to actually as reference to check later on the token that you have chosen in here, check its price, so you can have like a reference. So here, as you can see, the price of the official Trump is $41. The other fake memes tokens are below zero, or maybe around to $1, and maximum to 1.4 maybe. But the official Trump has reached nowadays by the 20th of January 2025, it is now at the $41. So in case it was something else, then make sure to check this website and check the contract. Also make sure that it is on the Solana network. Now, once you have checked everything and you have everything ready to go, then you are straightforward going to spend the money. So choose how much money you want to spend as US dollars, or simply choose how much Trump token you want to receive. So you can either type in here or type right in here. So I'm gonna, for example, write in here I want to spend or receive 10 Donald Trumps. So this normally would tell me exactly how much US dollars I will need to get this amount of Trump tokens. For example, in case I would like to receive 10 Trump tokens, then I have to spend $439.48. So this is what you will receive, and vice versa. If I want to spend only $10, then here the minimum is 15, so let's put 15. So I'm gonna put 15, and as you can see, 15 US dollars is only going to give you 0.34 Trump tokens. So once you have done with this process, you will go to the next method, which is, or the next step, which is choosing your payment method. In this case, we are going to use a credit card, which is a Visa card or a MasterCard. You could also choose Google Pay or Apple Pay, depending on your region, your accounts informations, and basically the available payment method and processes in your country. For me, for example, I am only limited to 3 payment methods that are card, Visa, MasterCard, Google Pay, Visa / MasterCard, and basically Apple Pay. This will be supported if I was not using another browser, so this has to be taken as consideration as well. So here, simply what you have to do is to click on confirm, and the next thing that will be taken is simply putting the credit card details. So simply put your number and your name, and then the CVC code and the expiration date of your card, just like you do when you buy something online. That's the typical thing when you try to buy something online, and then click on buy, and you will be buying it directly. So this is not a very weird process, it's a very straightforward, nothing much complicated. So just do these steps that I have shown you. You can do them within any other cryptocurrency and it will be the same. You are simply going to choose just the cryptocurrency in here, simply choose the one that you are willing to buy, and you simply have to go through the same steps. You can also not choose here the correct currency, but this will just help you as a reference to know exactly how much you are going to spend, since 15 USD is not 15 dirham, it's not 15 like pound, it's not 15 euros, so there is a difference, a little bit of difference between those, so you can take into consideration the differences and so go on. And yeah, that was basically it for today's video. This is how you can buy the Trump token in 2025 using the crypto, or basically your credit card. So that was it for today's video. If you do have any more cryptocurrencies questions or any other topic questions, make sure to mention them down below in the comment section. I will try my best to cover all the topics that you need us to talk about, and see you guys in the next video.